we've completed Charleston month and it was great. Everybody, that's not so much workout. I got so sweaty. Today, we did this. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we did a million of jump Charlestons. So we did hop, 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 hop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can also do this. Pop. You can also do triple step. Ba-da, ba-da. Pop, ba-da, ba-da. Or you can do something down like this. And then we did a bunch of this stuff. Kind of like getting over the squat. First thing we did was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 3, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. Man, it is foot Charleston. And it looks like this. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 2, 2, 5, 6, 8, 5, 6.